Max and I put into this DVD set everything that we really use, everything that we find is important, everything that we think is essential for you to know, for you to be a really good wrestler. This is the nuts and bolts of Max's and I's style. You're getting all the funky stuff, the stuff that no one else knows there. You're getting the tricks on the cradles. You're getting all the really important details that very few people across the United States know. This DVD set is the entire package. It is the full set of everything Max and I think is important in the sport of folk style wrestling.
Parents, coaches, this is something that you guys need to get for your kids. This DVD is something that gives a different perspective and it might put it in a different light for your kids that will give them the opportunity or give them the edge for what they need to succeed at wrestling. A lot of people stand up as fast as they can, and as soon as they stand up, they don't have hand control and they get put down back on their head. And that's not the goal. The goal is to work from bottom to control, to take away opportunities and limit opportunities there and build our way up and score multiple points doing it.
Picked up a lot of little tricks along the way. Started doing cradles in high school when my coach taught it to me. And then as I got older, I picked up a lot of little tricks, combined things I knew from someone else, put them all together. That's what you got. You got the most unstoppable pinning series known to man.
This is something where me and Ben really break down not only the technique, but also our ideas and our thought process behind the technique. It's something that really has kind of been in the making since I've been in high school. We've been building and creating and developing these different techniques. And this is something that I don't think you guys can find in any other DVD out there.